This is the early 1969 to 1972 fuel level sender for the fuel gauge in a FJ40. And I have this set up to be tested today using a Toshiba 158 light bulb, easily found. And I'm using my bench power supply set at 13.5 volts, which would be nominal battery voltage. And currently I have the gauge or the sender set at about half a tank. And you can see it's flashing every 7 or 8 seconds. And bear in mind this is not precision, so the flashes won't be all regular, either in brightness or duration, but you can see it's roughly 7 or 8 seconds between flashes. And when you set it up like this, you have to let it set for a few minutes before you really start looking at the flashes, because it takes time for things to settle down. So that's half a tank. So if we move it up to about 3/4 of a tank, the bulb will stay on for just a bit, and again give it a little time to settle. And it's roughly 2 seconds or so between flashes. 3 seconds. And then if you move it up to full tank, again it'll stay on for just a bit. And it flashes once a second or so. Pretty fast. So it's easiest to start out with the thing in the full tank position, because it gets to flashing pretty quick. But each time it flashes, you can tell that that internal set of points in the voltage regulator is opening and closing. So that's how you test one of these things. It's not a simple resistance check.